referring to. So let's do, can we do ping google.com? We have connectivity from google.com. However, let's stop that. We're not doing that. Stop that here. All right, there it goes. Control C to stop it. Being that I am using a Mac where everything is command, and then I'm working inside of a Linux where it'd be control, that throws me off, right? Let's see. Oh, look at that. Prince Marketing says it like as I found it. Prince Marketing is letting me know, so I appreciate that. All right, that's clear. And we want to say now if config so we can see what our IP address is. And it is 10.0.2.15, right? However, we would want to, because if we were to go to a terminal over here, we are looking at what's my internal is somewhere in here. Bridge. Let me see. I don't see mine. I have way too many things over here. So, but we do want it to, let's say I go back over here. Let's go here. We would want it to be, we should have the IP address similar to our actual laptop, but I don't even see what my actual laptop is. Let me see. I have way too many things over here. Okay, there we go. 192.168.86.28, right? So we need to have something similar to that. So the way that we do that is we're going to go and from the course, we want to change our network to is it a bridge adapter? Or is it not? It is switch to bridge adapter, right? We want a bridge adapter, right? So if we do that and we do enable the Wi-Fi, I guess, because that's what we're using. We're gonna say okay. And promiscuous mode. What in the world is promiscuous? You know what? All right, stop the show. What the hell is promiscuous mode for the network? That sounds dirty. Oh my God. What is, all right, we have to take a sidetrack. What is promiscuous mode in VirtualBox networking tab, right? So what is promiscuous mode in VirtualBox? Let me clutch my pearls for a second here. Promiscuous mode in VirtualBox is a network interface mode that allows a virtual machine VM to receive all network traffics on a physical network segment. This mode is useful when testing and network analysis. You can use promiscuous mode to emulate unplugging an Ethernet network cable. Network analysis, you can use network monitoring tools like Packet Sniffer, sniffing in promiscuous mode, oh my goodness, and other network analysis software to inspect network traffic. Here's how promiscuous mode works. Set the bridge adapter mode and connect the VM to the physical network. Enable promiscuous mode to capture all. Promiscuous mode takes all the network traffic, all of it, all right? The VM's guest operating system receives all observed traffic on the network. Oh my goodness. Promiscuous mode, it's doing its thing. It is doing its thing. Don't hate the VM, hate the promiscuous mode. All right. We got it. All right, I'm gonna leave promiscuous mode off for now because we do not support that here on this channel. As Mitch would say, this is a family channel. All right. Promiscuous mode.
How dare you?
All right, so saving the settings. Let's go back in here and we're gonna go to here. Let's see if this changed around, right? So let's clear this out and we're gonna do if config. And if we look at what it still says the same thing. Let's restart. What's the command to restart? What is the command to restart? Is it just restart? Linux restart, reboot. Is it just reboot? It is. Let's just try reboot. All right, let's
lunch
reboot.
break, lunch break.
What? Are we done already? Are we done already? If we are, that is a good stopping point. So, oh crap, I don't remember what the commands were. So, if we're here, what did we do last time? Let me see. Can I go? Oh my god, what did we do last time? It was. What did we do last time? Let me see. All right, maybe I can find it. I don't remember what we did last time. It was FS0. FS0 :/EFI/ Kali/ and I just want to see if our network changed, and then we can wrap it up. Tech Coach Ralph, the coach that we need, and that is not my password, by the way. All right, let's go into here again and let's do if config. And look at that. Look at that. We are good to go. So, so one more thing I'll show, but I'm not going to do it. But in the course, it said if the bridge mode is not working, if the bridge mode squad is not working, got you all in check, right? Then you would use the NAT network mode. Maybe we'll try it out next Thursday or not. We'll see. But the bridge network mode is working, so if it is not working for you, then you might want to try the NAT network mode. But yeah. So we're gonna wrap it up with we're gonna wrap this segment up with this, right? We have homework to do. We have homework. So this is our homework. I'm gonna go to this site right here. And so top things after installing Kali Linux, right? The top things to do after installing Kali Linux, I'm gonna drop this in the chat. So I'm gonna put homework. So your homework is to go through this through that link, right? And the top things to do after installing Kali Linux in 2023, although we're installing it in 2025, but you should still go and do these things. See what's possible, see what's not possible. So let's go look, right? Changing the keyboard layout. So updating Kali Linux. If it's a brand new version from last month, there's probably nothing to update, but change the default password, taking a snapshot, creating a low privilege user account, install Guac terminal. What is now? I'm interested, right? Customizing your terminal, install your favorite code editor, downloading Visual Studio Code, Debian package, install Visual Studio Code, install OpenVAS, install your favorite tools, setting up a VPN, and educate yourself. All right. So what we can do is, I'm already intrigued by the name of Guac terminal. So we'll I think next week we will install Guac terminal and maybe install VS Code. Although I do not like VS Code, but we can install VS Code. If it was up to me, I would install PyCharm, but we shall see, right? But that is the homework to do. Like, try to do, if you can do all 11 of these things, more power to you. But if you do some of them, let me know. And this will be graded. This will be graded. All right. So and just know it'll be graded. I'll think of something. All right. So let's go to full screen to wrap it up for today. All right. So
we slanging massive code. We slanging massive code. We slanging massive code. Learned the code while the city slept tight. Now I'm slinging lines that spark like late night. From Python webs to TypeScript skies. React in my veins and APIs that rise. Keyboard clacking, I'm stacking gold. Syntax flows like stories untold. Drinking caffeine, I breathe it in cold. From morning dawn till the night unfolds.
My code goes long, my code goes deep. Caught in the stream where the data don't sleep. Need my digits, better call my line. Slanging massive code like a story time.
In the hustle jungle where the bytes meet still. Digital canvas where I paint and fill. JavaScript whispers in the code I weave. Tech dreams blossom in the lines I conceive. Lines so slick they can't be caught. Variables twist in every plot. Python powers every thought. JavaScript legit, hitting the right spot. My code goes long,
my code goes deep. Caught in the stream where the data don't sleep. Need my digits, better call my line. Slinging massive code like a story time.
Stacks on stacks build my empire tall. Debugging dreams where the errors fall. Lines of brilliance break the darkest night. Script so dope you can see me in the light. TypeScript magic on my fingertips. Reacts to canvas where logic flips. API dances syncing clips. My code's a song where data drips.
My code goes long, my code goes deep. Caught in the stream where the data don't sleep. Need my digits, better call my line. Slanging massive code like a story time.
We're slinging massive code. We're slinging massive code.